So if you ever stop to look at the lights in your shop and figure and try to think, now, how could I make all that better? Well, then I got a comment in one of the videos from a gentleman who was wondering the same thing. So now when I got this building, it came with all these big fluorescent lights inside of it. And what I've been doing is slowly just changing bulbs and trying to upgrade things a little bit, trying to get a little bit more light in here. Because yeah, even I've noticed, I can be working inside, everything looks great. The minute I take it out in the sun, ooh, let's go back to the bench and work on it some more. And granted, these are, they're a little bit dirty. I haven't bothered to dust them lately. And they're cold. It's probably in like the low 70s at the moment outside, but in the shop here, it's down about the mid 60s because of all the concrete and steel. So they're a little dimmer than they would be normally. Got two different color light bulbs, but even the white light on this second light that we're looking at is not the same as the white light on the first light we were looking at. Oh boy. If you look on the boxes, you see there's a color chart. Are they bright white? Are they soft white? Are they cool white? Are they grow lights? I mean, there's all different kinds of light bulbs. But now let me show you what I want to upgrade everything to. Because see, I replaced this whole light assembly here because the transformer went out in the old one. So I got a high output fluorescent light fixture. So a lot more light out of this fixture, out of these bulbs. The only problem is, this is a special bulb. It takes a special socket, so you have to have the high output light fixture itself for the bulbs to fit in. So you wind up changing the whole assembly. Well, when I kill the others finally, I'll probably upgrade everything else in the studio to these. But let me show you one more that's really, really cool. Now this is a light that doesn't use any electricity. This is called a solar tube, and it's just a highly, highly polished aluminum tube, I think it is, and a reflector on the top of it to help gather light in. It bounces down that tube. Sunlight comes out the other end. So during a nice bright sunny day, we've got a little bit of cloud cover right now. That's why it's not quite as bright as it could be. But during a clear sunny day, it lights up the whole room in here. Of course, this is not going to help you at night. This only just reflects sunlight and brings sunlight in. Of course, now if you're working on something really strange, if the lights aren't quite the way you need them, I'll drag out a little work light and just plug them in, and I can either angle that down and let it kind of spread across the bench, or what I've done in the past is I've taken it upside down and I've gone up into the beam that holds the ceiling up, or holds the roof up, and I'll spot tie it to that beam with it facing right, pointing right down at the bench. So hopefully that'll help you see more clearly where you're working, and it might even help you see that subscribe button very clearly down there, and give that sucker a little punch for me if you would. I'm going to go back to work. I'll see you guys next time. So hopefully that'll help you see the light. Now, if you